cities, opening new small markets around the big markets, create a support system for people who are already in their market. In many of the small towns and small cities, there are already distributors, supervisors, whole team, but they don't have a structural system like STS, trainings and everything. They have to come to the bigger cities to get those type of trainings. But this Mega HMs has given a system, a support to those people from small cities. That's one of the main objectives. The second objective of Mega HM is to help all the leaders to come and work together, and that will benefit everyone because there are more testimonials, there are bigger stories, and there are more people working together, which inspires every single people. That's the main objective of doing Mega HMs, okay? And how to plan Mega HMs, like how we do. We just try to look up the cities which are nearby the big cities, which has a minimum population of 1 million. But you know, it is not specific that you have to do Mega HMs in a city where it's only 1 million. You can do Mega HMs also where there are small populations. But the best part is you can start new cities and new towns which are around big towns and big market, which can help us to recruit and get more people. And the second thing what we do, we also look for people who are already existing working in those cities. So that can be a support, that can be a monthly system for those people who are working in that market to bring more people and create their business. This is how we plan. And at the Mega HM, it's all the basic things. You need to have a registration desk, that's normally we have, and the HM slides and the PowerPoint presentation and the music, that's what we do. And this is how it looks, okay, post Mega HM. What we do after the Mega HM, that is very, very, very important. What we do in the Mega HM is we promote nutrition clubs. So from the Mega HM, we tell people, come to the club in the morning, you're going to get all the health parameters, you're going to get all the information on the health and the product, and you can try our product before you can join, and that gives more confidence to people. So the Mega HM helps both the things. We get customers, and we also get distributors from the Mega HM. The second thing what we do after the Mega HM, once the Mega HM has got more than 200 guests, we start doing STS in that small cities. And that is a bigger training for those people. They don't have to come to the bigger town to travel all the way for full night or whatever. We start doing STS, and the best part, when we started Mega HMs in small cities, they had only HM and they have to travel to a bigger city for a STS or a supervisor school. But today those small cities have their own HM, their own STS, their own supervisor school, and they are doing their leadership trainings nowadays. So this small city has got Get Team and Build Team, and there are people working for the president's team where we never thought this city can give some business. That's what's happening. And this is how the flow chart is going. You know, I have not made it because I cannot make it. This company has helped me. Can you believe? Herbalife company can also help you to do presentations. Unbelievable. Thank you very much, Herbalife. Mega HMs, you can get two things. Either you can get a customer or you can get a distributor. The person can go to the nutrition club. He can try the products. He can become a distributor. He can come to the STS, or he can directly become a distributor, come to the STS, join the nutrition club, go to the local trainings, become supervisor, attend the national or international training. This is how it works, okay? And the best part, those people who will come from Mega HM will stand on this stage few years later and they will say, I joined because of Mega HM. And they will pick up their bonus one day thanks to Herbalife. And this is how the Mega HMs, when we started, we had only 40, 50, 70. And later on when the Mega HM picked, what was really out of control was the leadership started working together. I remember in one of the training which I saw about Pedro on the HBN, that's one of the best place to get trainings. He said, when your check goes up, you become very good friends with each other. And when the business was growing, all the leaders became very good friends with each other, and we started working. And there was a time, every Mega HM, there is more people than the seats available in the room. And the guests are so excited, they are ready to sit on the floor to attend the Herbalife meeting. It's unbelievable. This is just the beginning, okay? And that's it. This is how the Mega HM works, and 1.5 minutes before the time. Thank you very much.
We finished a minute and a half early.